Ecoliteracy and sustainable development. The basic principles of ecoliteracy are good starting points to explore fundamental lessons that can be learned from nature for the reform of society. Wall 2017. David R. 1992 posited that by failing to include ecological perspective in education, students are taught that ecology is unimportant. Or N. Capra 1990 have the idea of ecological literacy as creating a new emphasis on the need for education to integrate understanding of the interdependence between natural processes of natural ways of life. Capra 2003 have another perspective. It have first and second step to bridge the current gap between human design and ecological sustainable system of nature. Sustainability is a qualitative and quantitative. It is qualitative in a way that we want well-being, although it is difficult to measure. But it is also qualitative in a way that natural capital and ecological carrying capacity can be measured with footprinting tools. To achieve sustainability, we must trace the roots of our cultural assumption and work on ecological literacy. Ecoliteracy refers to the understanding of how human beings are interconnected with the natural world and how our actions impact the environment. Sustainable development is the concept of meeting the needs of the present generation without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Achieving sustainability is through education and raising awareness about ecoliteracy. Ways to develop ecoliteracy in school. The goal is to raise students with an important perspective called socially and emotionally engaged ecoliteracy, which is a process that offers an antidote for fear, anger, and hopelessness, which result from inaction. Ecoliteracy is founded on a new integration of emotional, social, and ecological forms of intelligence, while social and emotional intelligence extend students' abilities to see from another's perspective, empathize, and show concern. Ecological intelligence applies these capacities to understand of natural systems and cognitive skills with empathy for all of life. 1. Foster empathy towards all forms of life by acknowledging our shared needs with organisms, leading to a genuine concern for their well-being and taking action based on that concern. 2. Encourage community-wide sustainability practices by educating students on the interdependent relationships among plants, animals, and other living beings, promoting cooperative thinking and action to strengthen this connection within their communities. 3. Enhance visibility of seemingly invisible aspects by utilizing web-based tools such as Google Earth, Google Guide, and Photocate apps to promote life-affirming ways of living. 4. Educate students on strategies for anticipating unintended consequences, including the precautionary principle, to help them understand and mitigate potential risk. 5. individuals with ecological literacy understand the key role that nature plays in sustaining life over time. This understanding is fostered by educators who instill three essential principles of ecoliteracy living: recognizing the interconnectedness and complexity of all living organisms within the environment, acknowledging the existence of systems operating on different scales, and engaging in practices that meet the current generation needs while also supporting nature's capacity to sustain life in the future. Towards a green school and education for sustainable development. The promotion of environmental sustainability in school through the integration of green education into the curriculum and instruction is vital for fostering students' academic development and instilling ethics and care for nature. It is essential for school environments to not only support and nurture student understanding of green principles, but also to facilitate their, their connection with their surroundings, promote their health and safety, and cultivate a sense of belongingness and sensitivity towards the school, society, and the planet. By incorporating environmentally sustainable practices into all aspects of the school's functioning, from planning to execution, both staff and students can effectively address environmental issues and contribute to creating a green school. Green School, the concept and background. The inception and background of Green School can be traced back to the 1990s in Europe, coinciding with the Rio Earth Summit of 1992, which highlighted the imperative for action in all spheres where human activities impact the environment. The World Summit on Sustainable Development in Johannesburg in 2002 further propelled efforts toward transitioning from mere environmental education to a focus on fostering sustainability. This paradigm shift is rooted in the global discourse on sustainable development, aiming to meet present needs without compromising the ability of future generations to satisfy their own requirements. The prevalent pattern of exploitation and depletion of natural resources in the pursuit of development has raised concern about the jeopardization of future outcomes. Therefore, there is a pressing need for a profound comprehension and proactive measures to address the environmental issues and challenges confronting our planet. Green School and ESD. The Green School is visualized as a school guided by the principles of environmental sustainability. The concept of a green school revolves around the principle of environmental sustainability, aiming to provide a conducive learning and environment that fully utilize all resources both within and outside the school. This model involves educating teachers and students about environmental sustainability through active community involvement. It requires consistent and collaborative efforts from all parties involved to enhance the school environment and surrounding areas. Students' hands-on experiences beyond the classroom assist in reinforcing knowledge, understanding environmental processes and issues, developing life skills, nurturing attitudes and values, and cultivating sensitivity towards environmental concerns. A green school embodies these components and instills environmental awareness to support sustainability through eco-friendly practices and planet decision-making. Essential aspect of green school environment. Green school is a educational institution that promotes critical thinking and learning within the school community, particularly among children. This is achieved through the implementation of participatory, practical, and collaborative methods to enhance the overall health sustainability of the school environment. For both student and staff, Green School emphasizes three key principles: educating individuals about the environment, facilitating experiential learning within the environment, and fostering a sense of responsibility and informed action towards environmental conservation. Understanding green curriculum. In order for a curriculum to be considered green, it must be recognized the broad interdisciplinary and constantly evolving nature of the environment, which includes scientific, social, economic, political, and technological components. A holistic green curriculum perceives the environment as everything that surrounds us and strives to deepen understanding of global functioning, human impact, and resulting implications. It comprehensively addresses sustainability issues encompassing the safeguarding and preservation of natural resources, cultural heritage, safety, health, and equity concern, as well as interconnectedness of various environmental domains. Achieving these goals necessitates an educational approach that allows students ample time and opportunities to explore the diverse aspects of the environment. Creating a green school. Green school involves the creation of a learning environment that promotes health, conserves energy and resources, and reduces cost. As a result, a green school achieves the objectives of minimizing its environmental footprint and expenses, enhancing the well-being and productivity of its occupants, and fostering awareness of environmental and sustainability issues. Characteristic of a green school. A green school is defined by its emphasis on sustainability, health, and excellence, offering numerous benefits to students, educators, parents, and the wider community. 1. It protects health. Green School prioritizes the well-being, improve ventilation, and the use of eco-friendly building materials. 2. It increases students' performance. Studies have shown that students learning in green classroom improve academic performance by up to 20%. 3. It saves energy and money. By implementing energy saver and sustainable practice, Green School can significantly reduce by 20 to 40%. 4. It reduces carbon emission. Green School help to reduce carbon dioxide emission through eco-conscious. 5. It reduces water usage. Green School actively promote water conservation and reduces water by 32%. 6. It improves teacher retention. Offering healthy and sustainable environment, a green school turnover by 5% improves student learning and school community. 7. It improves daily attendance. Green school have been shown to decrease absenteeism by 15%, that promotes better students' attendance and engagement. 8. It improves a unique educational community. Green School serves as valuable educational resources by integrating green futures, ad- advanced technology, and sustainable into the curriculum. Number 9. It creates green jobs. Investing in green school generates opportunities for green job work and environmentally conscious architecture. 10. It improves equity. Transformation of public school into environmentally friendly spaces enhance educational setting and health outcomes for all students. Integrating ecological literacy into the class curriculum. 1. Place-based learning. It involves students' experiential learning within their immediate surrounding, aiming to stimulate their creativity and foster environmental stewardship and civic engagement. This method encompasses various activities such as mapping the local environment, analyzing the interaction between society and environment, participating in habitat restoration initiatives, and collaborating with community. 2. Project-based learning is engage students in collaborative projects involving a range of resources such as community partnerships, technology, written materials, and online sources. Studies indicate several benefits for learners, including enhanced critical thinking abilities, as well as the development of positive study, problem-solving skill, and self-confidence. Socratic inquiry emphasizes the use of questions as a means of promoting learning. Instead of focusing on providing factual information, educators foster student engagement by prompting them to question their own assumptions, values, and preconceptions.